Revolut and ING are widely recognized as prominent banking institutions, each distinguished by its unique features and benefits. Although both provide comprehensive banking services, their approaches are tailored to somewhat different customer needs and preferences. In this video, we will conduct a bank comparison, exploring the key differences that exist between both banking institutions. Revolut stands out as a prominent fintech company, functioning predominantly as a digital bank. It has gained recognition for its exceptionally user-friendly mobile banking application, empowering customers to seamlessly manage their financial affairs completely online. Revolut primarily concentrates on delivering modern, technologically advanced banking services, positioning it as a favored option for those who are highly proficient in technology. Regarding ING, it's a traditional bank boasting a robust presence in the European market. While providing digital banking options, they additionally operate physical branches in various nations. ING provides a mix of digital convenience and personalized support for customers who prefer a more traditional banking experience. Revolut offers a variety of account types, including the standard account, premium account, and metal account. Each account type includes distinct benefits like free currency exchange, support for cryptocurrencies, and travel insurance coverage. The premium and metal accounts offer enhanced perks, yet they are accompanied by corresponding monthly fees. In contrast, ING characteristically offers an extensive selection of savings and current accounts, in conjunction with diverse investment products and lending facilities. This broad spectrum of services addresses a wide variety of financial requirements, establishing it as a potentially superior option for clients desiring comprehensive banking services extending beyond routine daily transactions. In terms of account management, Revolut provides completely free account administration. The standard version of the account is entirely free of charge, with no conditions like a minimum payment or age requirements, and when you open an account, there are no inquiries or reports made to Shufa regarding your credit score. You have the opportunity to earn loyalty points, such as Miles and More and Hilton points. For every €2 you spend monthly, you gain 1 Miles and More point. Additionally, for each euro you load onto your account, you will receive 1 Hilton point. For ING Bank, managing your account is also free, however. This comes with certain stipulations. It is free of charge if you have a guaranteed monthly cash deposit of at least €700, such as your retirement pension, or if you happen to be under the age of 28. Otherwise, a monthly account management fee of €4.90 will be applied. Your account can be transferred to ING for free and automatically without the need for any written correspondence. At Revolut, you receive a complimentary debit card, either a MasterCard or Visa, without any recurring monthly fees when utilizing the free account option. Since it's a debit card, payments are directly subtracted from your account, individually and promptly as they occur. Regarding the physical card, a one-time shipping fee of €5.99 is applied to cover the delivery of the card. Furthermore, should you wish to conduct an online payment at a retail outlet, you have the option to generate a unique single-use disposable virtual debit card for enhanced security. Regarding ING Bank, you'll receive a complimentary Visa card with no additional charges, and all payments are debited straight from your current account. Additionally, a Girocard can be obtained for a monthly fee of 99 cents. Concerning cash withdrawals, it's free with Revolut around the world. You're allowed to withdraw up to €200 or complete a maximum of 5 withdrawals monthly when using the standard account. An additional 3% fee is then applied for further withdrawals. Withdrawal fees apply for amounts exceeding the set limit, though this limit can be extended with paid plans. With ING Bank, you can withdraw cash for free from any ATM with a Visa logo in Germany and Europe. The minimum withdrawal amount is €50. Also, a charge of 1.99% is applied to withdrawals made outside of Europe. At Revolut Bank, you won't incur foreign currency fees when utilizing your Revolut debit card. Regarding money transfers, they are free, even for foreign currency transactions, primarily because Revolut operates in numerous countries. Conversely, if you withdraw cash through ING Bank, a foreign currency fee of 1.99% is applied to those transactions. Revolut Bank supports mobile payments, allowing you to conduct contactless transactions through your phone and smartwatches, seamlessly integrating with Apple Pay and Google Pay for ultimate convenience. Furthermore, with ING Bank, mobile payments are available and completely free of charge. Via your Revolut account, you're able to exchange currencies without charge, up to €1,000 each month. A 0.4% fee is applied to sums exceeding €1,000, excluding Thai baht and Ukrainian hryvnia, for which a 3% fee is incurred. There is also a 1% fee for currency exchange during holiday periods. As for ING Bank, card payments are free in Germany, all European countries, and outside Europe. However, foreign currency fees do apply. For Revolut, you can only deposit funds into your account using a Visa or MasterCard, and all deposits are free of charge. In contrast, with ING, deposits made via their machines are free, but a 1.5% fee applies to deposits made at retail stores. Revolut Bank does not provide overdraft facilities. Regarding ING Bank, the interest charged for overdraft facilities stands at 8.99% annually. Revolut offers a dedicated mobile app, though its availability is restricted to the English language only. On the other hand, ING's mobile app ranks third among the top 15 banking apps for usability and functionality. Revolut primarily offers customer support via its app and website platforms. Even though it provides chat support and a knowledge base, some users have noted experiencing lengthier response times, particularly during busy peak periods. ING, on the other hand, provides a more conventional customer support experience, including phone assistance, in-person branch visits, and online chat. This can prove beneficial for customers who truly appreciate having direct interactions with the bank staff. Ultimately, your decision between Revolut Bank and ING Bank hinges on your specific banking requirements and personal preferences. Revolut stands out as an excellent choice for individuals who value digital convenience, worldwide accessibility, and attractive currency exchange rates. Conversely, ING Bank could be a more fitting choice for clients seeking a conventional banking experience, offering an extensive selection of financial products and dedicated personalized assistance. Ultimately, it's truly essential to consider your financial goals and priorities when selecting the bank that best suits your specific needs.